So today I have another great product from VIVOHOME. They sent me this to review and I thank them for that. Now I'm going to give you my honest review. This is a pop-up canopy tent. Comes in this nice thick case. You have a big pouch. You can put extra stuff in here like grounding stakes or whatever. Handle here so you can carry it. And it's not that lightweight. It's great for events. You see you got wheels on the bottom here and everything. And then you unzip it down here. Unzips where the wheels are. Pull it out. I'm going to pull out this tent. We're going to set it up and check it out. So here are the stakes, little spirally things like a pigtail, the canopy, and the frame. I'm going to go ahead and lift this out. All right. Nice steel frame. Has a central lock right here. And we also have sandbags here that you could add if you want to weigh it down with that. Put rocks or extra stuff in them. So this, walk it out. I want to show you one feature on the frame here is if you are putting it up by yourself, just stand in the center and pull up on this. And this has a nice secure lock. You just pull this tab, pull down, as that ball pin locks in here, and just press it up. Really secure, really nice frame on everything. And you have adjustable feet here as well. So here it is all installed, and I am really blown away by the quality. I'm not just saying that. I've reviewed quite a few pop-up tents, and this one has a really nice fabric. Really good steel legs here. And one thing I've noticed from VIVOHOME and their products, this is the third product that I've worked with them, is their expandable technology, like their joints here with the connectors and how everything just pops out is really good. You can see up here it's ventilated. You can open that hood to get a little air in there. And you can also see that there's all of these attachment points with Velcro to go around the steel frame like this. The sides go in right here. Super easy to put up, and look how thick this is. This is white and you can't see through it at all. Very thick, very easy to put up. You can adjust the legs easily. Even goes higher than this. You see all the different adjustment points. So you have a few different adjustment points there. And you can see now this side's a little higher. But yeah, see how it's a little higher over there. So you can adjust it different heights, whatever you need. Great for doing events, parties, vacations. I've used them to when I'm working under a car and don't have a garage before. It's nice if you're just working on outside, just pull the hood under there or something. You got to work outside doing construction, stuff like that. Very useful to have one of these. I'm really happy to have it, and I want to thank VIVOHOME for working with me again. And I hope this video helped you with your buying decision. Oh, another thing, look at this right here. These metal rings, these are where you can use it to tie it down with the sandbags, etc. And they have really good reinforced webbing here with little metal D-rings, not plastic. Really nice. There's extra hooks right here to hook more stuff to really secure it, make sure they don't blow away. And this metal on the frame is really nice and thick as well. Again, I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.